Welcome back to the XXOTO software tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through the share function, one of the most important features in XXOTO software. This function allows you to access unique data shared by XXOTO's official team or other XXOTO users. If you can't find a specific vehicle model or you're unsure about which model to cut, you can request a share code from XXOTO's support team. This code will help you locate the exact or special model you need. Here's how to use the share function. 1. Click the share button. 2. In the pop-up dialog box, you'll see two fields. Share code. This is where you enter the code provided to you by XXOTO or your friend. Password. Enter the identify code shared with you. 3. After filling in the fields, click Confirm. Wait for 1 to 2 seconds, and you'll see the shared data appear on your screen. The share function is essential for finding unique or precise vehicle models and expanding your design options. That's it. Now you know how to use the share function to access shared data in XXOTO software. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and techniques. Thanks for watching.